How to keep our house clutter free all the time. Beautiful habits to indulge in a tidy house. Please see if you have kids and your house is always messy. At least you think like that. It's no magic but pure hard work when we see someone's shiny entrance, kitchen, or bedroom, and not to forget the bathroom. Keeping a house tidy is a continuous process and it should not be seen as a one-time task. What can make it easy and handy is, are we ready to bring it in our lifestyle rather than one time of a day or one time of a week task? The chore multiplies in many folds when only one or two people are responsible for decluttering. But when we expect it as a contribution from everyone who stays in it, then the tedious jobs will also come down into tiny pieces, which then will not look big and can take only few seconds or minutes from finishing one part to moving other. Number 1. Before you switch off the lights, take 2 minutes. Let's start with the night first. Before you go to bed, take just 2 minutes and look around and see, are there any tasks which can be done in just 2 minutes? Like keeping the books on their place, putting the laundry basket aside, keeping the pillows on the sofa properly, making your table tidy, anything that will just take 2 minutes. Number 2, 10 seconds. Because we stay, we keep making mess. That's the story of every room. Wherever you stay or people are there. Whenever you are leaving a room, just take 5 seconds to look around and another 5 seconds to pick up the trash to keep the work done things on their place. Number 3. Before shower, take 10 minutes. Make a 10 minutes dusting, cleaning practice before you take shower. 5 minutes for a family room and 5 minutes for bathroom, because these are the two places all the people keep using multiple times. This little time you can take aside for little messy things. This is a perfect time to get into these dirt cleaning, because after that you are going to take shower, and after shower when you come out everything will be shiny, full of fragrance and tidy. Number 4. Weekly checklist. When you look around the whole house, it can be overwhelming to see how much you have to do. But if you cut it into small chunks and few minutes every day, like if there are 5 cabinets and 4 drawers as you want to clean in your kitchen, then it will look like a mountain of work that is going to take at least half of your day. But if you set up every Monday one cabinet in the kitchen between 10 to 10:15 am, that is just 15 minutes once in a week in kitchen. Sounds small and gives us big motivation. Tiny jobs which can take from 5 to 15 minutes will not scare us. Likewise, you can set up Tuesday 15 minutes for wardrobe, Wednesday 15 minutes for under sofa cleaning. It would feel great and you will not believe how these small jobs finish without hassle. Moving to number 5, stop loving the waste. We have a super soft corner for the things we have stopped using since long. Take a bucket and keep the things in which you think you will use someday and put a date tag. If they sit in the bucket for 3 or say 6 months, whatever you decide, then it's time to get them out of your house. Donate it, throw it or recycle it, but do it on that week. Number 6. Last and most important. You are as important as your house. Just keeping the house tidy and self-messy just makes us frustrated most of the time. Be little loose, fist on yourself, and even after working hard, sometimes some corner is just left untidy. Then don't blame yourself. You could not finish that. Leave it for a few hours, collect yourself, feel great, and then make your home a happy and tidy second place. You are way stronger and did achieve a lot more than a crisp looking room. Home is made by the people living in it, isn't it? With that thought, I will call it a wonderful video. Be nice and tidy and keep your house crisp and loving. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Bye bye.